I'm Luwili June Ponce and I'm here to present our group webpage entitled Love Page. Here is our home page, and from this you can see the overview of our webpage. Under the title are the link buttons, and at the left side of it is our webpage logo. And this logo is always included on each and every pages together with a page description. The mission and vision are placed at the left side under the link buttons, and at the right side of it is our welcome note. This logo also shows what is our webpage all about, and this is a quick discussion of our topic. Then click the next link button entitled What is Love? This link page contains the meaning of the topic. In the upper part of it are some words or one word that defines love. And in the lower part of it are the deep definition of love. Now click the poem link button. This link page had inspiring love poems. Then click another link page entitled Courting Tips. This page shows effective ways of courting girls. And we will also show you the step-by-step procedure. Then click another link page entitled Signs. This link page shows some signs of being in love. Then click another link page entitled Symbols. In this page, you'll see some pictures that symbolizes love, and under each symbols are meaning of it. Click the next link button entitled Short Love Stories. This page contains a short inspiring story, and at the bottom of it, there is a navigation button that is linked to another page about short love stories. Click it and you will proceed to the next page. And like the previous page, it also has navigation buttons under it, the next and back. This button lets you go back on the previous page. Then click another link button entitled Like or Love. This link page shows an agreement between like and love for you to find out and notify what was your feeling all about. Then click the last link button entitled About Us. From this page, you will be able to see some information about us, the creators of this page. Under it is our own quote that is dedicated to our readers.